Oh, but you like, what was the little one? What do you like?
Mud chips.
Mud chips? What do they look like?
Mm,
Oh, those little ones, and they're, oh. I don't like birds. Do you?
but I think I like squirrels.
I thought you didn't like the squirrels.
Well, you said you didn't like the birds.
I know, but you said you didn't like squirrels. But you like what? What kind of animals do you like? Monk, what?
Mud chips.
Monk
I
chips.
hate squirrels.
You hate squirrels.
I said no.
You know what? I love you.
Okay, but you do love me or zip zippy.
Look at all those snakes we made.
Can I see?
Oh my God. Okay, I have to shut